So I'm from Orange. I am in the CTO organization, so I won't make you any marketing presentation. I'm not on this side. I'm on the kitchen side. I'm in charge with my team of delivering the systems to the Orange country. So probably you know Orange and France Telecom as one of the leader, or maybe the leader of IPTV. So we have a very big experience on that and quite a success. I will describe that later. So it might be strange for you that I will explain right now what we have done on a full OTT configuration in Spain. Does it mean that Orange is turning the page? Does it mean that we are giving up with IPTV, or what else? So let's go first to what we have already done in IPTV, and then I will go to Spain. So first of all, we were one of the first to launch with IPTV. So as for TV Connect, we have had our 10th anniversary in December. Today we have something like 4.5 million customers on IPTV in 5 countries. And we also have some DTH hybrid configuration. So it's quite a big configuration. And because we began 10 years ago, we have had to fully renew our system. And we did that end of 2011. We did it for a new customer, but also for the customer we had previously. And we have migrated something like 4.5 million customers on 1 year and a half on the new system. We have an attractive offer. I think we have something like 60K content accessible, which makes us quite comparable with Netflix, as far as I know. We also have many live channels. So I've never met the one guy that is watching the channel number 350. So it means that we can't offer more. And we have some advanced features like cloud gaming, web browsing, or whatever that we offer on our boxes. And we have a solid business growth, as I've said, because the growth is about 500,000 per year. So if it works, in terms of business, in terms of customer satisfaction, in terms of cost management, why changing? And that's what I will try to explain you. But to understand that, I will describe what we have done in Spain. So first of all, we began with a full everywhere configuration from day one. That's because our marketing asked us for that. They've told us it will be everywhere or it won't be. And it will be everywhere for the day one. We won't launch first the set-top box, then the PC, then the tablet, and so on. So we don't want that. We are Orange in Spain. We are the innovative telco on that market, and we need everywhere from the day one. So it means one platform for sure, one content protection, one delivery protocol, and also one business logic that is implemented in the platform. And we have also made the choice to integrate not with a dedicated CDN, but with the Orange CDN in Spain that is also serving the internet. And with that, we are serving, of course, the smartphone, the tablet, the PC, the game console, the connected TV, but also the set-top box. And I think that's the important point, and it was an important point for us. And I think on that point, we are one of the first to do it at that scale. We offer the premium live with high quality, and marketing has communicated to our customer about the quality of the live. We offer that with adaptive bitrate, and we offer also VOD, SVOD catch-up the same way. And we offer the free-to-air channels on DTT. So it's due to a cost consideration because free-to-air makes the majority. So we wanted to avoid the cost of that on our CDN. We launched it commercially in September. And for doing that project, we have we use some components we had, and we have worked with partners we worked before. So we have upgraded the version of the core platform, the Orca Access core platform, but we have also sourced some new partners for the TV apps, for the CDN. We worked with Access, but we work with PlayReady for the live protection, not with traditional cast. We have sourced AirTies for the set-top box, and we have made some internal development. Of course, we have had to face some end-to-end integration challenges, which were new for us, especially the live. And it was a 12-month project. So if I'm honest and extremely precise, from 10 slides to the commercial launch, it takes us 14 months, including the sourcing, including the development, the integration, including the friendly user test, which honestly was quite fast. You may tell me if you consider like that. So let's go to the service. So the service, in fact, is quite straightforward. We have a very simple offer. We offer every services, core classical services like EPG, live, catch-up, SVOD, or so on. We offer that on each and every device on a very seamless way. So, and we do the same for more advanced services like advanced recommendation or maybe bookmark. And we do it on a follow-me way. It means that you may buy your VOD on smartphone, watch it on TV, then stop it and go to the tablet and watch it on tablet. So this is, and we do that even for high-value content like Canal Plus Liga. So when you deal with football with Spanish customer, you understand it's important. So we offer that over OTT as I've described. Let's look at the business. We launched it 6 months ago now, so we have a clear view of what's happening. So you have to understand that the Spanish market is highly competitive and quite mature. So it means that for a telco, we are just in the middle of a commercial convergence. When a market is mature, the customer asks for one single provider. They don't want to ask for multiple providers. They ask for one package, one bill, and one experience. So Orange Spain is massively mobile, and they have something like 1.2 million broadband access. So for them, it's really key to be on this commercial convergence and to offer a global offer accessible to each and every customer. And it has to be innovative because Orange in Spain is seen as the innovative telco. So the sales are over our expectations. So I won't give you some figures, but you may imagine that we have 1 million access, let's say, and we target something like half of the customer base on the TV. So it will take some years for sure, but you see the order of magnitude of what we are doing. So sales are over our expectation for retention, but also for customer acquisition. And what we see is that people use the everywhere from day one. They use much more tablet and smartphones than they do in France, where we have begun with IPTV, then we have offered the everywhere experience. And we have a very high customer satisfaction. So we have some internal surveys that I can share with you, but you may go on blogs. You may look also at the TV apps rating on the app shop. And from day one, it was really excellent. And we have been able to have support costs as low as expected, and in fact quite comparable with what we have with IPTV on other geography. So if I go to conclusions now, OTT versus IPTV, is there a real competition between two, or where are the key levels? Where is the key point? So our understanding, our experience is that IPTV versus OTT for us, for a telco, it's definitely more about market and network configuration. In France, we have the network. We are the incumbent. We have built the IPTV. We have millions of customers. In Spain, we are more mobile. We don't have the same level of control of the network, and we want to grow fast. So that's different situation. So it's very opportunistic, and I think definitely IPTV, maybe later completed with OTT. IPTV is definitely a good solution for us in France, and OTT is really good solution to penetrate the market and to grow up rapidly in Spain. So if it's not the key point, where's the key point seen from me? So as you know, we are a tier one. Our revenue is decreasing, but we are still extremely big. So we have some technical competencies. We have all we need to spend money on this solution. But for me, technical complexity is definitely the key point, because it's a key point for quality of service and then customer satisfaction at first, for the short term, and later on, it's a key point to have the agility, because if you don't master the complexity, then you won't be able to be innovative in terms of feature. If you don't have the quality of service, then you will spend your energy on that and not on developing new features. So what are the four main levels seen for me? So the first point is that proven internet technology are really interesting, because when we dealt before with IPTV technologies, we were very often the first to have millions of customers. Here, with adaptive streaming, with DRM, we are not the first. And so we use proven technology, and of course, we have had some issues, but not that much. The second point is, even if you are a tier one, like we are, it's a good idea to source the main components and to share with competition. So I think it's a better choice, better strategic choice to share with competition and to be more in a co-opetition way. Definitely, we have to build every system around a single converged platform. So for me, it's a no-brainer. In certain geography, for sure, we have legacy, so we have to converge, and convergence is not so easy when you have legacy, but if you build it in greenfield situations, there is no discussion about that. And what we have experienced, and I think that's also why we have been able to do the project in 12 months and to be successful, what we have experienced is that we have reused exactly the same core competencies for integration that we had before for IPTV. So we have not developed any training program for that. Of course, we had anticipated a bit to develop some competencies, but that's definitely the same end-to-end expertise that you need, and that's definitely what will make the project successful or not. So thank you.